respected chief guest of the day, Union Minister of State in charge Ministry of Communications, Union Minister of State Minister of Railways, Sri Manoj Sinha, our Secretary General Sri Vivek Singh, our Charter Committee Chairman Sri Gautam Sen Gupta, the dais and the members. On behalf of the entire 24,000 development officers of National Federation of Insurance Field Workers of India, we welcome the Minister here to the city of Varanasi on behalf of all the development officers. Sir, today we are honored by your presence here in this meeting of North Central Zone. The presence of the Minister here in Varanasi reminds the aspirations of the members throughout the country. Sir, as Varanasi is looked upon by the entire country, because Varanasi is represented by the Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi sir. Like that, the members of National Federation also look towards Varanasi, because this organization is being led by the Secretary General Sri Vivek Singh, who is hailing from this Varanasi. So our members will be having lot of hopes on the Secretary General and the Prime Minister to address the issues of the development officers. Sir, we would like to once again inform that this organization, which was formed in 1957, has conducted its Golden Jubilee, which is unique in itself, because this is the only organization, we can definitely boast of and say that this is the only organization, trade union organization in the entire country, which has celebrated its Gold Diamond Jubilee without any break in the organization, representing the development officers who are spread in the entire country. Sir, our organization is not affiliated to any of the trade unions. But being a trade union organization working for the welfare of the development officers in the LIC, our first Secretary General, the most respected Sri Kalvitji, we can definitely say it is an honor for the organization also, because he is the only Secretary General of a trade union which is not affiliated to any political organization, who was arrested under NISA in 1976. Sir, this trade union, which was represented by great personalities, who had the interest, along with the interest of the development officers, our Secretary General, after the imposing of emergency, has written in our magazine 4-line statement in our organization newsletter, which led to the arrest of our Secretary General. The 4 lines: employment security is dead, good faith is dead, written commitments are dead, and honesty is dead. This is what our Secretary General has written in our news and views, for which he was arrested first under NISA, and after that he was arrested under DIR, and this is the only organization, Secretary General without affiliation, who was arrested under emergency. Sir, today we have a lot of hopes on the leadership of the Prime Minister to address the concerns of the development officers. The organization, which has recruited nearly 12 lakh of agents, and which is placing the corporation at the highest level. Here I would like to mention that any organization or any, for that matter, any industry which is open for the private industry, there the percentage of the share of the public sector has come down. Here the contributions of the development officers has made the LIC proud in the entire country. Today LIC is called the jewel in the crown because of the commitment of the development officers, where even after the privatization, the share of the LIC is more than 75% in premium and more than 85% in number of lives which are covered. So, friends, we also would like to remind that the confidence even the government has on the LIC regarding the recent IDBI acquisition, where we feel that even the government has a lot of confidence on the LIC, where it can turn around even the, most probably we can say, sick IDBI bank. So with these few words, requesting the Minister, Honorable Minister, once again, to look into the issues which are presented by our Secretary General on behalf, once again, on behalf of the entire 24,000 development officers of National Federation of Insurance